This is problem 1 from quiz 1.1. Be sure to write the steps down and identify where you made your mistake. To find the area of this parallelogram, we have to use the formula area equals base times height. We're going to substitute in the information we know. Well, we see that the question is asking what is the area. So we don't know the area. That means we know the base and the height. In this, remember that the base and the height will make a right angle. So the base is 9 and the height is 8. Be careful not to choose the diagonal as your height. Again, it will make a right angle with the base. So 9 times 7 is 72 centimeters squared because area is always in centimeters squared.